Today is a much needed wash day. I usually go to my loctician, but pockets are tight, so in house it is. I haven't done my hair in so long that I need to find my wash supplies. And here's some advice I gave to myself. Make sure you put things back when you use them, or you be looking for things for a long time. At least today I knew where some of my hair stuff is, but just a reminder for myself for later, put things back where they belong. Today I'm coming to you using the Doux Lady First shampoo and the Supersonic conditioner. I've used the Doux products even before I got my hair locked, and I bought a lot of the Doux products before I got my hair locked, so I want to continue using it, and it always leaves my hair moisturized and soft. I put my hair into 3 sections to help with unraveling because I don't want my hair to unravel. It's been less than a year, so I want to make sure I stay locked up. And I make sure I get a good lather because clean hair is the best hair. For my hair routine, I wash my hair twice and then I condition my hair. I usually deep condition my hair, but I haven't since I've locked my hair. Let me know down below how often you deep condition your hair with locks. So here I'm taking off the rubber bands for each section so I can really get into the roots with this conditioner. I put the rubber band back after I finish with each section. And now I'm back. I am ready to start the retwist process. First, you need a few things though. First, I have Shea Locs Daily Refresher. I'm using this to keep my hair moisturized before I get started. Now, you also need some clips also to keep your hair down during this process. And I'm using the Doux Mousse Def Texturizing Foam. My loctician did not start my locks using gels, but with natural hair products like this Shea Locs Natural Hair Butter. And yes, I love it. And you'll also need this bonus item, this hair tie. This is not a tutorial, so if you're looking to see how I locked my hair, this is not it. I'm just, vibing, talking with you, get to know each other a little more. But I start in the back and I work my way to the front. Check out my website if you want to see photos from the start of my lock journey to today. I started my locks at Shea Locs Hair Salon here in Atlanta, and it is an amazing journey. Before I got my hair locked, I was braiding my hair using the crochet method. It was a 2 to 3 day process where I would part my hair, braid my hair, and then add the crochets to it, adding the hair. I love the styles. It was beautiful, but it was very time consuming. So I said I needed something else to do. So I decided to get my hair locked. When I was a kid, my hair stayed in either a perm style or a braid style, definitely in the summertime. When I went to college, I had sew-ins and wigs that I used to wear during my college days. Weird time of my life. And when I graduated, I decided to go natural. I did not do the big chop. I grew out my natural hair and just got my ends trimmed enough to take out the perm. I started braiding my own hair using the Doux products to have twist outs, and I loved it, but I didn't know how to do it as well as I would see on social media, or the style would last 2 days and then I would have to figure out something else to do. So I started with braid styles, and that took a long time. It took me at least 2 to 3 days to wash, part, braid, and then put the crochet in. I use the crochet method. I'm one of those girls who do not know how to braid hair that well. And that was very time consuming. So I decided to lock my hair. And it has been the best decision. Like I said, it's been almost a year now. And I am going to celebrate my lock anniversary very soon. Now it's time to dry. First, you'll need a blow dryer and this soft shelled blow drying attachment to put on my head. This is an amazing product. I really love it. I'll post a description of what the real name is below, but it's not black owned, so sorry. But if there's a black owned version, please let me know down below also. And I'm back, and I want to thank all those who watched this all the way through. This has been a very long process. It took me all day to complete, and I just want to thank you for seeing the end project. And I hope you have a great day, and peace, love, and happiness. Bye.